today we are gonna go to McDonald's and try New Jean's chicken sandwich. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be a regular chicken sandwich, but we could be wrong. So let's go check it out, see how it is, and I'll take you on the journey. I'll just get set up here. But let's open this mid-spicy creamy onion. First look. So it has bacon, right? Bacon. The chicken honestly looks a little too deep fried, a little dry. A lot of mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and take a first bite here. The chicken is definitely dry. The powder does go well with the mayonnaise and just with the chicken overall. But the pretzel bun is pretty nice. I like the change to it. Creamy onion. So this one has more features on it. It has more feature on it. It has like tomatoes, the bacon. I mean, I think that's pretty much it. Tomatoes, and it's supposed to be spicy. But here's a good look of it. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and bite into this. Spice level, probably like 2 out of 10, give or take. I mean, I do handle spice pretty well, so it's around like 5 o'clock. And there's so many people here. It's like a full pack. It's kind of embarrassing, but it's all good though. Got you guys. I mean, that's pretty much it. Not much is here. Well, thanks guys for watching. I mean, it wasn't much here, but I'm planning to finish my vlogs that I had 4 years ago from here. Never finished them. I probably started like 4 vlogs, maybe 3. So Japan, Busan, and then my last week here in Korea, my trip to the Han River. So we still up. Stay tuned, subscribe if you guys want to see those, and hopefully I'll pop them out for you guys later. And if there's anything you guys want me to eat here too, just let me know. I am a free agent for the most part, so yeah, God bless you guys. right. The moment of truth. Is it gonna be blue? Or is it gonna be regular? Ta-da!